Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources.
Wall Street Journal Markets. September 27. 7:08 America New York. Gores Guggenheim, Exxon, Carnival, PG&E. What to watch when the stock market opens today. Gores Guggenheim is near a merger deal. Oil producers are getting a boost from rising crude prices.
Daily FX Market News. September 27. 7 o'clock America New York. Gold price forecast. Fed speakers in focus for taper timeline clues. ZAO, USD weaker. ZAO, USD is struggling to attract buying momentum as yields continue to pick up.
Naked Capitalism. September 27. 6:50 America New York. Michael Hudson on Renegade Inc., China's fortune cookie crumbles. Michael Hudson discusses China's campaign to limit the influence of Western investors.
Wall Street Journal Markets. September 27. 6:41 America New York. Cryptocurrency exchanges curb trading from China after Beijing's warning. One of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges said it would close all user accounts in mainland China by the end of the year, days after the country's central bank declared all crypto-related transactions illegal.
Global Economy. September 27. 6:31 America New York. The Michaels, and the truth about hostage diplomacy in China. While the 3-year saga over the detainment of the daughter of Huawei's founder has ended, concerns over China's tactics linger.
The Library of Economics and Liberty. September 27. 6:30 America New York. Nerina Hertz on the Lonely Century. Author and economist Nerina Hertz of University College London talks about her book, The Lonely Century, with EconTalk host Russ Roberts. Hertz blames social media and the individualist, pro-capitalism worldviews of leaders like Margaret Thatcher and Ronald Reagan for the rise in loneliness in the developed world.
Wall Street Journal Markets. September 27. 6:10 America New York. The great car chip shortage will have lasting consequences. Semiconductors have become a strategic component for car makers. First they will increase inventories, then some might design their own.
Forex Live. September 27. 6:04 America New York. Bundesbank sees Germany inflation peaking between 4% and 5% by year-end. Adds that German inflation could stay above 2% through to mid-2022. The German central bank remarks in its monthly report, but I reckon the key word in all of this is that they still view such price increases as temporary. Forex Live. September 27. 6:01 America New York. Japan reportedly to lift state of emergency measures later this week on Thursday. Nikkei reports on the matter. This has been more or less confirmed since last week already, as the virus situation in Japan has improved significantly in the past few weeks, allowing for state of emergency measures to end as they should at the end of this month.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. September 27. 6 o'clock America New York. Spotify kicks off campaign to win more advertisers. Spotify Technology began its first global brand campaign designed to court marketers as the audio streaming giant tries to expand the revenue it collects from advertising.
Forex Live. September 27. 5:44 America New York. Germany's Scholz. A coalition should be formed before Christmas. Remark by Olaf Scholz, SPD's candidate for German Chancellor. That's a rather long courtship process of the Greens and FDP, but it essentially lays out the timeline. Many more weeks to follow perhaps, in which we can expect a government being formed in Germany. Forex Live. September 27. 5:38 America New York. PBOC says that will keep liquidity reasonably ample. China's central bank with some comments. Just be wary that the comments come ahead of the week-long holiday in China, so one can expect the PBOC to keep up with larger liquidity injections in the run-up to that, which we already saw over the weekend.
Daily FX Market News. September 27. 5:35 America New York. German election latest. Euro, USD muted following election results. German election results show win for SPD. Traffic light coalition most likely outcome.
Wall Street Journal Markets. September 27. 5:33 America New York. After early investors flee SPAC deals, day traders rush in. Large withdrawals in blank check mergers are attracting day traders, sparking wild stock swings in the beaten-down sector.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. September 27. 5:30 America New York. Google pushes to overturn EU's $5 billion antitrust decision. Alphabet's Google argued that its Android operating system for mobile devices has boosted competition rather than stifled it. Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. September 27. 5:30 America New York, dentists group fights plan to cover dental benefits under Medicare. The ADAS opposition could be a factor as Democrats look to trim the $3.5 trillion spending plan. Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. September 27. 5:30 America New York, CFOs review impact of higher taxes on cash flows, spending and overseas businesses. U.S. finance chiefs are taking a closer look at their company's cash flows, spending plans and overseas operations in response to the House Democrats' tax proposals.
Forex Live. September 27. 5:27 America New York, UK Environment Minister says that there isn't a shortage of petrol. Remarks by UK Environment Minister George Eustace. I think it's silly to try and dismiss the situation, but this is just an attempt to try and stop the panic buying mentality for the most part.
Wall Street Journal Markets. September 27. 5:25 America New York, commodity boom is too much of a good thing for many traders. It has been a banner year for fossil fuel, metals and agricultural markets. For many commodity traders, surging prices have caused a credit crunch that is reshaping the industry in favor of the largest players.
Forex Live. September 27. 5:21 America New York, USD, JPY climbs to highest since early July, underpinned by higher treasury yields. USD, JPY closes in on 111.00, its highest since the 6th of July, knocking on the door. A daily close above the resistance region of 110.60 to 80 would be ideal, but an even better position for buyers would naturally be a firm break above the 111.00 handle.
New York Times Business. September 27. 5 o'clock America New York, every day is frightening, working for Walmart amid COVID. As offices debate the merits and logistics of reopening, a parallel sphere of workers like Peter Naughton, a Walmart cashier, seem to inhabit another world. Often their jobs just got really hard. Peter Naughton is a cashier and self-checkout host in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, at Walmart, the country's largest private employer. New York Times Business. September 27. 5 o'clock America New York, Scotland's oil industry is fading as wind energy beckons. Oil and gas production in the North Sea is not the economic juggernaut it once was. Can floating wind turbines offer an alternative? Floating wind turbines, like these off Peterhead, Scotland, offer an opportunity to expand wind technology to deeper parts of the ocean.